I'm Dan Mead Smith, President of Washington Policy Center. Since our start, our first and foremost commitment has always been to improve the lives of Washingtonians all across our state. With a statewide staff of 17 and offices in Seattle, Spokane, Tri-Cities, and Olympia, Washington Policy Center is one of the largest state-based research organizations in the nation. Our ideas and research are routinely used at the local, state, and federal level.
11 bills based on our research and analysis were signed into law by the governor during the last 2 legislative sessions, and voters in our state adopted our recommendations on 5 out of 6 ballot measures during the last general election.
5 years ago, we opened our Eastern Washington offices at Washington Policy Center because we are committed to the entire state of Washington.
The work that Washington Policy Center has been doing on 2/3 tax limitation has been effective because we communicate directly with the public to explain the issue. We also provide briefings and research to public officials so they understand why it's important for government to limit the size of the taxes that they impose on the people.
The center's research was vital in getting the word out about King County's Proposition 1. King County officials had said that it's either bus cuts or tax increases, and we showed that that was a false choice, that there were many options on the table that King County officials could implement to keep bus service on the road.
The Washington Policy Center contributed its think tank expertise to bring charter schools to Washington State, making Washington the 42nd state in the nation allowing charter public schools.
One of the most exciting highlights from 2014 was the expansion of our Young Professionals group with the launch of our first ever college club at the University of Washington.
We've been focusing on getting young people together, communicating about these issues, knowing about WPC and the research they're doing, and then also helping to get it in the hands of even younger people. We've been really excited that we're now getting a presence with WPC on college campuses.
Knowing the people here at WPC, for me personally, and I know for the other founders in the group, has been an invaluable asset to us as they continue on in their college career and as I leave college and go out in the world.
Several years ago, we began to award one female college student with a $5,000 scholarship through the Jennifer Dann Thompson Fund for America's Future.
Jennifer Dunn Scholarship not only allowed me to participate in the master's program, but also it got me involved in the Washington Policy Center.
Our ideas and research are routinely used at the local, state, and federal level.
We use Washington Policy Center research in our education policy, in our budget policy, and also in transportation.
I really appreciate their good data, their analysis, and their perspective.
It's groups like Washington Policy Center that come alongside us as part-time members and give us the leverage that we need in order to get that information, to make quality decisions, take quality votes as we're representing the city and the businesses and residents that call the city home.
The Washington Policy Center was a dependable resource when I was serving in the state legislature, and I continue to value their great work. That's why I invited the Policy Center researchers to DC to testify before Congress.
We believe innovation and proven free market solutions will give us a better today and leave the next generation of Washingtonians a better tomorrow.
My name is Greg Porter, and I'm the proud chairman of the Washington Policy Center since 2007. I couldn't be more proud of all the successes we've had to date at the Washington Policy Center as a result of our staff's hard work and your tremendous support and involvement. I look forward to seeing all that lies ahead for the Washington Policy Center and appreciate you standing with us as we continue to work to improve the lives of all those who call Washington State home.
I stand with WPC.
I stand with Washington Policy Center.
I stand with Washington Policy Center.
I stand with Washington Policy Center.
Washington Policy Center, I'm standing with you.
Thank you to everyone who has stood with us over the years. And now we ask you to continue to stand with us as Washington Policy Center moves forward.